Now today, I'm just going to show you a little trick that you can use next time you're doing some filling. Now often, when you go around and fill walls, etc., what can happen is you'll go through, do all your filling, and then you've got to sit there and try to find all the spots that you've filled, which sometimes can be annoying. Also, sometimes when you go through to second fill, it can be hard to determine what patches you have or haven't second filled. So what I'm going to do now is to show you a little trick to help eliminate all those little dramas. So what I'll do is make up my own filler. Now what I'll actually do is I'll be tinting it. Now this is basically just your normal tint for your paint. This here's ochre, and I've also got some red in this little container here. Now normally I will start off with ochre, and depending on the job I may go ochre and then just straight white, or I may do ochre and then red. So red will be the second fill and ochre will be the first fill. And then I know where all my patches are. It's quite easy to walk straight up to your patch, go through and sand it. So what I'll do now is show you how to do it. It's quite simple. Just a small amount of filler. Add some water. This is water, not iced coffee. And then a little bit of tint. Now you only need a drop. That's about all you need. When it comes out, here it goes. Just a small amount. And all I'll do now is just mix that in. And now I'll end up with some nice ochre filler. Now that's a little bit thin. I like my filler just a little bit stiffer than that, so I'll just add a little bit more to it. Should be plenty. And just make it a little bit stiffer. So now I'll go through and fill the walls for a second time. With this particular house, I used white first because the walls are a light colour but the white stands out just. So my second fill is now with the ochre. So I'll go around and do them. And when it comes time to sand, it'll be nice and easy to find all the patches. So this here's a little trick you can do with the filler. And it definitely makes it a lot easier when it comes to finding the patches, to sand them and to touch them up. So hopefully you'll find it helpful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.